Well, if you hate going to the dentist, you won't anymore. Here is Dr. April Patterson of Dr. Patty's Dental Boutique on why the tooth no longer hurts. Dr. Patty, one of our favorite people. It's been like over a year. Where you been all my life? Welcome back to the show.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so I know what your boutique is all about, but for some South Floridians who have not had the pleasure, tell us about it.
Well, a dental boutique is basically an upscale cosmetic dental practice, and we combine the luxuries and amenities of a spa.
And you are the first full-on legit dental boutique in South Florida, correct?
I am South Florida's first dental spa.
Very cool. What possessed you to come up with the idea?
Well, I wanted to upgrade the experience that people have when they go to a medical practice, especially a dental practice. There's usually a lot of anxiety associated with a visit to the dental office, so I wanted to change that, but more than anything, just upgrade the experience. And I also wanted to give people another reason to come to the dental office besides just for dentistry.
So you handle all the dentistry. You're the one to see. Now, do you also handle the beautification too?
I do. I do a lot of the facial rejuvenation, which is the Botox and the dermal facial fillers. So with the facial fillers, I can do things like tear trough or cheek or lip enhancements.
I actually feel a little self-conscious because I feel like you're looking at me and figuring out all of the things that you could do to fix this ugly mug when we leave this mug when we leave here today. Yeah, you're like, yeah, I am actually.
No, not quite.
But do you find yourself doing that? So someone comes in just for a teeth cleaning or whatever. Do you find that you talk them into getting stuff done? Do they ask your opinion? Hey, since I'm here, what should I get?
That's a very good question. So there is a combination of ways that it happens. I have clients who come in and they already know what it is that they want. They may have been referred by someone who's already had services with us, or I could have a client who comes in for dental veneers or a full smile makeover. However, there are some other things that I see, and I like to say that I treat comprehensively from the neck up. So I'm not afraid to say to a client, hey, I'd love to take care of those crow's feet, or maybe we could do some lip enhancements to enhance your smile overall.
We should mention now, because I know people already are thinking, I want to go see you, and we'll get back to the information later, how people can find you, but you're located in Fort Lauderdale right now.
I am, in East Fort Lauderdale. I like to say nestled in downtown Fort Lauderdale, but we are in the Victoria Park Shops on Federal Highway between Broward and Sunrise.
Right, and people travel for miles and miles to see you.
I have people who come from actually all over the country to see me.
Yeah, that's
so
pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah. That's gonna make you feel good. This time of year, summertime, what kind of specific complaints do people come to you with?
So in the summertime, I think most of the clients complain about how dry their skin looks. This is when they really realize how awful their skin is. So that's one of the main complaints, that people have dry skin.
So what do you do to fix that?
So we have, right now we're running a boot camp called Skin Fitness Boot Camp. And basically what it is, we have a couple different unique treatments that are for skin to repair sun damage. One of them is the vitamin C treatment, where we basically douse your skin in vitamin C, and it firms and brightens. And then we also have a caviar facial treatment.
Okay.
I know, right? It's my favorite.
Wow.
But it's a caviar-based treatment that basically does skin rejuvenation and anti-aging.
You put caviar on someone's face.
It feels so good.
That's interesting. That sounds like a really swanky A-list party where people are eating caviar off people's faces. Right.
You make it sound gross.
Well, that's no, because I go to a lot of those parties, and they're very exciting. Yes. So no one is eating the caviar off anyone's face.
They are not eating the caviar.
So how does that work medically? So how is putting caviar on someone's face?
Okay, so Skin Fitness is a very clean, simple product line, and that's something that's very important to my clients. But basically what it does is repair skin damage, and then what it also does is revive and recharge the skin to protect from future sun damage.
All right, so people want to reach out to you. How do they find you?
They can reach us by calling us, Dr. Patty's Dental Boutique, 524-2300. They can also find us online at drpattydental.com and definitely on Facebook, again, /drpattydental.com, or stop in.
Just come by.
Just come by.
And the last thing I want to say, and you mentioned this earlier, but I think it's important to repeat it. A lot of people are terrified of going to the dentist, right? Like totally freak out. But part of what you do so well is that you make people feel comfortable, right?
Absolutely. So I pride myself on having an anxiety-free dental practice. So a part of the way that we solve that issue is having a spa where people can have relaxing treatments before or after they have, some type of dental treatment. But also, I have clients who have IV sedation, which is where we use an IV, give you medication. You don't remember anything, you don't care about anything, and it can be from a range of services, from a cleaning all the way to like getting dental implants. So it just depends on the level of dental fear or anxiety that a client has.
Fantastic. And since people should go to the dentist once every 5 years, right? Is that the number? No, 6 months? Is that what it is?
Every 3 to 6 months.
3 to 6 months. All right.
Yes.
So 4 times a year, go
Yep.
see Dr. Patty.
Yeah, absolutely.
Come back and see us 4 times a year.
I would love to.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good to see you again.
Done.
All right.